The face of Indian football and former Indian captain Bhaichung Bhutia is all set to entertain his fans for the last time. The 38-year-old Indian footballer will play in the famous red and gold East Bengal jersey for the upcoming I-League season. It was at this famous club that everything began for India's greatest ever footballer in 1995, and now will play his final session with the same club. Bhaichung retired in national jersey after playing an exhibition match against star-studded Bayern Munich. The former Indian captain, who was recently inducted into AFC's Hall of Fame, said that he will return to his club East Bengal to keep his promise.
Not discussed anything on anybody's name because it is a matter of technical committee and there are 8-9 members, so you have to hear everyone's views. So on 21st there is a meeting and we will see. But my personal view is that there is no need of spending much money on coaches as we did on Bob Houghton or Wim Koolmans. So salary should be good, but not as much as we were spending because we are looking for under 17 coach also. So we want to spend decent amount on under 17 coach. So that under 70 is given priority. We will also see that Indian coaches who have worked closely should also be given chance. It could be from India also or anyone as of now. I don't know who all have applied, but they should have the knowledge and have something with Indian football in past, because we don't want somebody coming from big profile and not knowing about Indian football. So in 1 year he will only know what is Indian football, where is Indian football. So we don't want that to happen with somebody coming for coaching.
I-League is scheduled to begin on 17 January and the first city derby will be between Mohun Bagan and East Bengal, which is likely to be played on 25th January. This would mean that the Sikkimese sniper will be part of the East Bengal side in the return leg of the derby.
Powered by NNIS.